Welcome back, Wheel World. Today, we are introducing the Honda Civic Type R. Is more than just a car. It's a statement, a perfect blend of precision engineering, raw power, and track-ready performance wrapped in a bold, aggressive design. Today, we're taking a deep dive into what makes this machine one of the greatest hot hatches ever built. The Civic Type R has always been a legend, starting with the EK9 in 1997, a lightweight, high-revving machine that set new standards for front-wheel drive performance. Fast forward through generations of innovation, and now we have the latest FL5 model, built to push the limits even further. Under the hood, you get a 2.0-liter turbocharged VTEC engine, producing 315 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. This power is sent to the front wheels through a precise 6-speed manual transmission, making every shift feel engaging and rewarding. The rev-matching feature ensures seamless downshifts, and the limited slip differential keeps the car planted, even through the tightest corners. The chassis is where the magic happens. Honda has fine-tuned the suspension with adaptive dampers, a wider track, and improved aerodynamics. Every line and vent on this car is designed with purpose. The massive rear wing, it's not just for looks, it generates real downforce to keep the car stable at high speeds. Step inside and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit built for performance. The red bucket seats provide incredible support, the digital gauge cluster gives real-time feedback, and the infotainment system keeps you connected with performance data. Everything is designed to make you feel like you're behind the wheel of a race car. On the road or the track, the Civic Type R is an absolute beast. The steering is razor-sharp, the handling is confidence-inspiring, and the acceleration is enough to leave you grinning from ear to ear. Honda has taken everything enthusiasts love about this car and made it even better. The Civic Type R isn't just a hot hatch. It's a symbol of Honda's racing DNA. It's built for those who love to drive, who live for the thrill of the road. Would you take one for a spin? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic car content. See you in the next one.